you cheater. Don't you do that. Hug? You gotta give me a hug first. Give me a hug first. You hate Mommy that much, huh? You don't even want to give her a hug for your toe. Are you tired?
Pretty cranky.
Are you tired? Eat your foot. Eat it. Eat your foot. Can you eat your foot? Can you eat it? Eat it. Eat it. No.
Mommy
I
should
don't
eat
want to
it.
eat your
Mommy
foot.
should
You
eat it.
eat your foot.
Make Mommy.
Eat your foot.
Get Mommy to eat it.
Get that foot.